demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go, gotta get through. I started to go, gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Yeah people, Ackeem Sterling here, we're back with another adventure. So right here we're here in Moortown. So we'll take you guys on a little adventure, you know. You don't know what things yet. I always keep you guys posted on a little adventure. So yeah, we are here in Moortown and we are going to check out Nanny Falls. We are going to make a little tour so you guys can know what going on, you understand? So stay tuned.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the...
Yeah. So I don't know. You can't guess I'm go by far. Yeah, so. I'm go by far.
We can walk as about the bottom part where we go from, so we have to go to check the panels of you.
Yeah, man. Bosso full pa yan, man. Bosso.
Yeah, man, we have a bus one, we think up there. Man.
Yeah. Show them one now. Actually, boss, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. So them there enough.
And this like strong food, you know.
Yeah.
Like good strong goshen.
You know. Nothing water same way there.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
You understand? So reach up a little. Yeah. Yeah, man, them boy gone for me, you know. So basically right now, we trying to go farm place right now, so I'm going to pepper. As you can see. See it, really scotch bonnet, pepper this, you know. Yeah. So right now, I'm showing you local farm and local village, you know. Yeah, people.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps.
Alright, so people, it's a little spring or so. So man, them water are really natural water, you see it. So right now, do so. Yeah. Really natural water, you know. Now use ya. See there? See what bus. So you can't wait to them place in see it because the rain rough. Yeah. Yeah, suppose bus out star.
Right now, they in our home and we ancestors, real Maroon land, you know?
Yeah.
Them place that, you have to have the rum and you have to visit them place that. You know?
Yeah man, see the people. Real proof. You can't pass right here so without a rain if you see it. Yeah.
White rum.
So then they know I go already. See right now, my slippers left me a pass right now. So I just go and try it barefoot, you know?
Them know that, go.
Yeah. I have to walk with the spirit, you know? So we still try to see him way. I almost reach now still. Yeah, so see entrance right now. Yeah man, this scope at the top fall. The road I go up top side the fall. So this is the entrance right now to the fall, so we just make a turn right now, go on the top side.
So what is up beside the Signage? If I go sign, I think we'll go up there, you know. If I go sign, we'll go up there, you know.
Yeah man, so come back now. You just leave it right there, so see there. People. Nanny Falls. So right now, we are go up top right now, go see what I go on. Top side the fall. Yeah. Yeah. So in here is the same way, you know. And see fog.
Hi, Danny. Hi, Jen. So you guys don't go here wrong.
Yeah. Turn up, you know. Steep. So we pass there. I run more past there. Run more so we are going to run more right now. Yeah. Try to jump on the river. Show you guys the fall, you understand? Yeah man, see past there man. Oh, the long sister. Long, yeah. Yeah man. You see it. So we're going now. And next spring this in the people. Yeah. You see it. Yeah, and more town. Come like rain over fall too. Hope rain over fall no people because you know things it already. Come on. Watch you, you know? So what go on? Come like the rain this. Eh? Good same way man, is it? Eh? Eh? Yeah.
Yeah man, we have place
I don't need that one to come up here. I don't need that one to do.
Eh? So we're going to use it now. Like we're going to fall. You see it? Yeah. That can't stop waiting because we're there on the tour same way. We're there on the journey. You understand?
I don't know what you are doing there. More no up there, look. Alright, this one.
Yeah. 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 There, you know? Yeah. Hold on, man. Strong. So you're showing you fall now? What then we call him now? Carcoon.
Yeah, it's a carpool.
Yeah.
Right now it's the last night jungle. We don't have no water to drink. You just find one of them vineyards. Chop it to the machete up. Plentiful water when you can't even drink out. Carpool.
The people, the father. You're on top of your fall right now, you know. That's it. See that? Man, you're brave, you know, brother.
You ever seen nobody get up to any fall before?
No, sir. See that? People. Don't try it at home, you know, people. That's it. Don't try this. Yeah, man.
Right now, rain and fall. Come on, look at it, river. Rain and fall.
So there, so we're gone, people.
Keep it down there outside of it too.
And they're rocking gone, you know.
That's a terrace ambush, you know?
Yeah.
Guerrilla warfare.
He lighting spot.
Outside of it too.
He fall there. Gone right down there, so. Oh, them man, you're brave, you know, star, but. Eh?
Number. Hold on. Come on, Mr. Will. Pass it to you. Look.
Yeah, so this right now, it's called real blessings, you understand? So anywhere going rainfall, it's a blessing. Yeah. Real blessings, you know.
Remember, this is the vine of carpool. I know most persons must be wondering, what is carpool? Well, this is, you can call it a fruit or a nut of the carpool. This is edible as well. It can be cooked and prepared as a meal, and it can be used as other, historic measures as well. We won't mention that one right now. Carpool. Jewelry as well. Good jewelry. When you are going up, let me show you which one. You are a human.
Them say, you know, anywhere you go on the rain and fall, you're not getting no blessings. But seems like today we get all the blessings, because guess what? People, the rain and pour like crazy. Right now, I'm going to spot right here, so. Yeah. Oh, maybe you can bite me, you know. You can take a bite right now. Right now, food time is it. We have right now today, we have some corned beef, yeah? We have some bread steam, we want to steam, you see, so. I'm going to pull this right now. So I make sure it's the last enough, I just have a problem today. You know. Yeah. Yeah man, so this is how we park, you see it? This is how we need to do this. So wash off it right now, Peter. You see how you use.
Like you don't want one more can be bro. Okay, man.
Park.
Yeah. What do you make, you know?
And style, you know?
Style. Yeah. Come on.
I can walk them, you know? Lunchtime in our jungle, you know?
Perché vuoi stare si può?
No, li gioca. Chiar back on me.
That people the liquor, bite and bun, you know. And them the bite, they get an instant swelling, burning sensation for a couple minutes. You see it?
Yeah man, so right now, this is spiritual, you see it? Keep me warm, alright, the place cold, yeah? I'm just going to consume some spirit, you don't know, in the jungle, yeah? So what's the best thing to do right now? Just consume some spirit in the jungle, yeah? Yes, so the sun kind of come out now. So right now I'm there on the top and Nanny Falls, you know, people. So right now, I'm going to show you clippings where I'm showing you down there from the fall, from the view up. You understand? So right now I'm there up top. I look down now in the fall, as you can see. Yeah, and this right now, people, very dangerous. You understand? So please don't try this. And so there, and top your safe more, you see it? Yeah, so I'm showing you what I'm going now. Yeah. Yeah. You say you have 3 floor?
Yeah.
So this is the first floor?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And one more down this again.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show that later on in the video. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so there's, you know, I got through the gate, yeah. Reach point, Nanny Falls, you know. So, come back now. So right just now, I always sign with signature. Yeah, once you reach so, make sure say you put in a signature, you know. Yeah. That means say you was here. Yeah, man. Yeah, people to sit now. Go down on the step them, yeah. Very steep, you know. Yeah. Folly. Yeah, so this is the next part of cliff, yeah. Down there, so. Yeah. Yeah, man, I just see it. So, I'm showing you fall, you know. Yeah. Falls there, you know, people.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just look me up. Don't be
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Open up. Eh? Yeah.
Understand? I see that to him, he must have felt straight.
Yeah man, it's alright now. Put on my signature and you see it. It's kind of dull still, so. Yeah. Alright, you know. So. Yeah man. Hey, steering is it? 20. Come on, hey Sterling, is it? What's here?
Yeah, Auntie Nanny, we're out again, you know?
From what we did.
Yeah man, it have to blow it off its steam, you know. And sisters them. Yeah, as you can see, it was a great adventure, you know. So there now I'm gonna roll up back, touchdown now, and things so. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy the little vlog, you know. Little adventure. Day was epic, as you guys can see. So, yeah man. Remember, you know, see there? I leave out you now. Blow off the steam.
No entry without white rum.
No entry without white rum. As a good Samaritan say. Yeah. So, yes guys, thanks for watching and hope you enjoy this vlog. As always, Ackeem Sterling here. Peace out.